Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we are going to be getting this 2006 C6 Corvette ready for its new motor. And this car is going to be a budget build C6 on how cheap I can build a nice, I wouldn't say nice, but a fast, cool C6 Corvette. We have the motor all prepared. If you go on my last couple videos, you saw us disassembling it and putting it back together. And now we're going to be getting the engine bay ready, cleaning up the input shaft, painting some parts, you know, so when we put this motor in, it looks like it came off the showroom floor. You know what I mean? Definitely not. So let's go ahead, jump in this thing. Let me show you around what's going on with the car before we start working. So as you can tell, okay, it's not pretty, but it'll be fast. So basically what we got, it's an automatic car. We got to clean up that input shaft because this car has been sitting about a year and a half, probably 2 years or whatever. We have the power steering pump that came with the car. We have wires everywhere and I have no clue where they go. I have no rad support and I have no radiator, which you got to figure that out. And then we got a nice little bug right here that's been dead for quite some time. He's just hanging around. We got to get a battery. And then we got all this heater hose, and in the future I gotta figure out air conditioning because down here in Florida you need it or else you'll cook up. You know, you'll be fried, cremated in that driver's seat. Alright, so we're gonna start by straight up just, oops, shouldn't really be doing that on fiberglass fenders. We're gonna straight up start by taking off the motor mounts. It's pretty spacious in here. Not really, okay? So I got the power steering pump, get it out of the way. Send an impact on these motor mounts, you know? Coming off. No, that's tight. Wait, is it? Yes. All right, there's the old motor mount. Some dead bugs under there. You know, they've also been cooking because they don't have air conditioning. Rust falling out, yes. And now I'm just gonna move all this stuff out of the way. The power steering pump, I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I'm probably just gonna hang it up here for now. The motor already has one on, so I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna be doing with it, okay? I've never worked on a C6 before, so I don't know what needs to be in or out of the engine bay when this motor goes in. And we got this jalopy mess of wires over here. I know this is definitely for the fan. We got the power steering reservoir right here, definitely for the fan. We got the power steering reservoir right here. And then all this you can't really move out of the way. I'm pretty sure they had a meth kit on this. Get that out of the way, considering we definitely won't be needing that. We got our tranny cooler lines. Those can stay there. So all this is just gonna have to stay because there's really nowhere it can go for sure, okay? All right, now that we got all the wires out of the way, I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly clean all this up just so we can prepare it for paint. Now we gotta clean up the input shaft. Clean it up a little bit. I'm just gonna pump some grease on there, okay? And I'll just go around it and get it all greased up. And then she'll be good. Then we're just gonna give some parts some paint. Okay, just like that. Professional paint jobs. Okay, looks good, right? Yep. Just clean some stuff up. Bing, bop, boom. Clean, looks mint. Now we're gonna hit some paint on this cross member here. Should work at a body shop, you know. Get some paint over there. I'm so good I don't even have to tape anything off, okay? Mint paint job. Mint. I don't know if you can see that, I got overspray on the paint. We got brake cleaner on a towel, just give her a wipe. Wipe, wipe, you know what I mean? Nice and clean. You know, I was looking around at what else I can give a paint. I was like, this brake booster looks a little icky, okay? So, go ahead and move some wires out the way. Hit this booster with some paint. brand new again. All right, so now that the engine bay of this car is basically all spruced up and done, now we're gonna go ahead and take the engine off the stand and put the flywheel on and get this thing on the hoist and prepare it for drop-in. I got these headers held on with 2 bolts. Just gonna pop them off. Second header. All right, so while I have easy access to these spark plugs, the torque spec for these is 11 foot-pounds, okay? And yeah, I'm torquing my spark plugs. I've never done this before. I'm basically just gonna try to torque everything I can, make sure we're all good to go, okay? Like I said, this is gonna be a quick, probably definitely not quick, but it's on a budget, okay? So, passenger side plugs, 11, 11, 11, 11. All right, so I got the engine hoist, you know, bracketry going on. Now I gotta get this thing off the sand. We can go ahead and loosen these mount bolts. Get the stand out of here. Now we can go ahead and put this flywheel on. Pretty simple the way it goes. Obviously this way, because that other pretty important piece that goes on the torque tube input shaft gets bolted onto the flywheel. I am going to put Loctite on every single one of these. Why? Because Loctite's important, okay? As long as it's not red, you're probably good. Just to keep things from staying on, okay? Because if they're not on there, they're going somewhere else. And you want it to be on there. And now the torque specs for these. All right, so now we got this flex plate adapter thing to go to the torque tube. I don't know what it's called. Never installed one before, but I'm gonna go ahead. Loctite's already on there. Torque to spec. And I'm also just gonna pack grease in there, you know. It can never be too lubricated. Now this motor is ready to go in the car. We got all the bolts torqued. We got everything greased and cleaned up. Now the only thing that's left is to take that hood off and start moving this hoist towards that car, and this thing should be going in relatively shortly. So stay tuned for that video. Budget build C6 Corvette series. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.